Today, I'll be presenting the item number 12 of part 1. We are given a function limit of 64x minus x cubed all over x cubed minus 3x squared minus 40x as x approaches to 8. We're going to use L'Hopital's rule here. This rule is used when we have a limit of the form 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity. In this case, we can take the derivative of the numerator and the derivative of the numerator and then reevaluate the limit. The derivative of the numerator 64x minus x cubed is 64 minus 3x squared. And the derivative of the denominator, x cubed minus 3x squared minus 40x is 3x squared minus 6x minus 40. And so, the limit becomes limit of 64 minus 3x squared all over 3x squared minus 6x minus 40 as x approaches to 8. Now, we substitute x equal to 8 into the expression. 64 minus 3 times 8 squared all over 3 times 8 squared minus 6 times 8 minus 40. The numerator 64 minus 3 times 64 is negative 128 and the denominator 3 times 64 minus 6 times 8 minus 40 is 104. So, the expression becomes negative 128 all over 104. Simplifying the fraction, we have negative 16 all over 13, which is approximately negative 1.23. The function limit of 64x minus x cubed all over x cubed minus 3x squared minus 40 as x approaches to 8 is equal to negative 16 all over 13, approximately negative 1.23.